2020 COVID-19, when whole world is collapsed, the people are supposed to be social distance, but here we found the most of the multinational fashion retailer and buyer, they cancel the order from Bangladesh. They want discount, they want suspension, they want to pay pending.
COVID-19 has exposed the way the fashion industry has been run for decades and for too long. Brands have profited, and they've profited massively from the labour of some of the world's poorest and most vulnerable people who work for low wages, long hours to provide standards of living that are really only just scraping along. So workers are literally destitute.
Our workers who making clothes for you for many years are not in a good situation. The worker situation are very dire in here. The workers are starving because many of them has not yet received their March wages.
We work in urban slums, and the information coming through to us at the moment shows that the impact of the collapse in supply chains in ready-made garments and leather goods has been catastrophic for thousands of slum dwellers.
Work should lift people out of poverty. Instead, garment workers are forced into a poverty trap. 80% of the factories in Bangladesh supply clothes to the world. COVID-19 has dealt an additional blow. Our high street brands are refusing to pay for clothes already made at their request.
I have a question for fashion's billionaires. I have a question for people whose personal fortune stands at 15 billion, at 60 billion, and at $90 billion. My question is, why do you expect the poorest people in fashion supply chains to subsidise your lifestyles?
And now that brands have cancelled their orders, they're in an even worse position than possible. And the brands are trying to get away with paying as little as they can. They're asking for discounts for goods lying in ports. They're asking for deferred payment on goods already in stores. So some of those, the workers who are already at a bare minimum are now going hungry, are becoming homeless, they're becoming sick, and they're unable to access healthcare.
The manufacturers wanted to pay less for April wages. And if workers do not receive their April wages full, they will be starving. They will be not able to pay their food bills, let alone the medicals.
Still, they haven't paid the salary of month. And number of factory is laid off. And when the factory is laid off, the workers will get the half salary. How they have to survive?
আমাদের এপ্রিল মাসের বেতন 60% দিবে, তো আমাদের এই 60% বেতন দিলে যা পাবো তা দিয়ে ঘর ভাড়া দিলে আর 1 থেকে 1,500 টাকা থাকবে। এই টাকা দিয়ে আমি নিজে চলবো না আমার বাড়িতে ছোট ভাই একটা বোবা, ছোট বোন একটা অসুস্থ, তাদেরকে দেখবো।
আমার হাজবেন্ড ছাপানেরকে চাকরি করে, ওখান থেকে বলা হয়েছে যে ডিউটি করলে টাকা দিবেন, ডিউটি না করলে টাকা দিবেন না।
People working in fashion's factories have given their labour in order to buy your super yachts and your mansions. They've given their health in order that your kids could have Ferraris. And in many cases, thousands of people have died in order to pay for your fabulous parties and your political influence. And yet now here we are, COVID-19, another crisis, and still you want more.
তো সরকারের কাছে, ভাইয়ের কাছে, বিজিএম এর কাছে, মালিকের কাছে আমাদের অনুরোধ যাতে এপ্রিল মাসের বেতনটা আমাদের ফুল দেয়। আর ভাইয়ের যে আমাদের কাজের যে অর্ডারটা যে ক্যান্সেল করে দিয়েছে সেটা যাতে আমাদের পুরোনায় আবার আমাদের দেয়।
So when an international buyer of ready-made garments or leather goods refuses even to pay for orders that have already been made up, then factories close. The small informal units that were supplying them close, and the workers who already had next to nothing now have literally no food to eat.
The images and what we're hearing is distressing. We shouldn't be surprised that it's workers that are paying the greatest cost, because that is the way that the industry has been built. It has always been workers that have paid the greatest cost while brands profit.
And is this all happening because the brand has been cancelled their order from the beginning of March? Here, through this video, I wanted to demand that all brands who cancel the order, they should come back. They should take all these orders and pay to the manufacturers that they owe to them.
Your buyers are out there making threats in your name of people who cannot pay, asking for discounts that will lead to starvation. It makes me wonder if we should copy you. When your stores reopen, maybe we should just all go in, take clothes off the rack and leave you 50% of the asking price because that's what we feel like. Or maybe we should just come and take 50% of everything that you have.
That is why immediately the fashion brand, retailer, multinational should withdraw their decision, because our workers are very vulnerable. They have no food, they have no shelter, they have no good life.
তো আমরা আবার কাজ করতে চাই, তো আমরা করোনায় মরবো না, আমরা না খেয়ে মরবো। আমাদের হচ্ছে ঝুঁকি ভাতা দেওয়া উচিত।
So when companies refuse to pay out in order to protect their shareholders' profits, hundreds of people will die. This is not some invisible effect of the economy, it's the direct and immediate outcome of their decisions. And it's happening right now in front of our eyes. It's actually quite sickening what these people are prepared to do to protect their wealth.
This will create a huge social and economic disaster. So to those brands trying to squeeze the already squeezed, pay up, pay on time and pay in full.
So what we're asking for is that brands, first of all, provide emergency relief to garment workers suffering from the impact of COVID-19 on their lives. We also need to ask the brands to honour their contracts, to protect their workers, pay wages in order to meet the garment workers' needs. And we're asking them not just to pay 50%, 30%, 50%, 70%, we're asking them to pay 100% of what they owe factories and workers, by reminding them that lives are literally relying on this, that people who are alive today may very well not be alive in a few weeks' time if they don't take action.
When they will be paying, the workers will get their salary, and then only they can bring food in the table for them. No money means no food, so pay up now.
তাই বায়ার মালিক এবং সরকারের কাছে চাই আমাদের ফুল বেতনটা দেওয়া হোক, এবং আমরা করোনায় মারা যাব না এবং মহামারীতে মারা যাব না, আমরা না খেয়ে মারা যাব। যে আমাদের এইভাবে যদি শীতের বেতন দেওয়া হয় তাহলে তো আমার ফ্যামিলি চলবে না। তাই ভাইয়ের যে কাজটা ক্যান্সেল করছে এই কাজটা আবার পুনরায় অর্ডার দেওয়ার জন্য ভাইয়ের কাছে আমাদের রিকোয়েস্ট থাকবে।
We request all the consumer, you have the power, you have the right to put pressure on the multinational who are stopping order, cancel, discount, hold. This is very important, and we need your support for the workers' livelihood and workers' betterment of life.
So please do get involved in whatever way you can. Sign petitions, take to social media and ask your favourite brand what they're doing to ensure that their workers are protected throughout the pandemic. In whatever way you have a voice, make sure that you use it now.
The world is sick of this corrupt system which prioritises profit over the health and well-being of people and planet. Give back what you have taken. Pay up. It was never yours in the first place.